Toyota, one of the most recognizable names in the global automotive industry, owes its modern legacy to Kiichiro Toyoda, a visionary engineer and entrepreneur. From humble beginnings in industrial looms to revolutionizing the automotive landscape, Kiichiro's story is one of foresight, persistence, and ingenuity. Kiichiro Toyoda was born on June 11, 1894, as the eldest son of Sakichi Toyoda, a renowned engineer and inventor, and Tami Sahara. With a natural inclination toward sciences, Kiichiro pursued mechanical engineering at Tokyo Imperial University, graduating in 1920. He briefly stayed at the university's Faculty of Law, but left to join his father's company, Toyota Boshoku, which specialized in manufacturing machine tools for industrial looms. Initially, Toyota Boshoku focused on innovations in the textile industry. Sakichi Toyoda's groundbreaking invention, the Toyota Automatic Model G loom in 1926, revolutionized textile manufacturing in Japan. This loom could automatically halt when a thread broke, significantly increasing efficiency. The invention laid the foundation for Toyota Industries Corporation, with Kiichiro serving as managing director. While managing the loom business, Kiichiro began exploring a burgeoning field: automobiles. A series of international trips between 1921 and 1929 to cities like San Francisco, London, and Oldham exposed him to advancements in the spinning, weaving, and automobile industries. These experiences solidified his belief that Japan needed to embrace automotive manufacturing for its future growth. To fund this ambitious pivot, Sakichi sold the patent for the automatic loom to Britain's Platt Brothers in 1929. This provided the seed capital for Kiichiro's dream to manufacture cars. In 1933, Toyota Industries Corporation established an automobile division, marking the company's first step into the automotive sector. By 1936, it had unveiled its first passenger car, the Model A sedan, inspired by the Chrysler DeSoto Airflow. A year later, the automobile division became independent, forming Toyota Motor Corporation, with Kiichiro as vice president. World War II brought significant challenges to Toyota. The company was forced to prioritize military truck production for the Japanese Imperial Army, stalling passenger car development. Nonetheless, Kiichiro's determination endured, and by 1947, Toyota began limited production of passenger cars, such as the Toyota SA, despite resource constraints. The end of the war in 1945 marked a turning point for Toyota. When the General Headquarters, GHQ, of the Allied Forces announced plans to resume commercial vehicle production in Japan, Kiichiro seized the opportunity. Work on new designs began immediately, signaling a revival for the company. Kiichiro Toyoda's vision and leadership transformed his father's industrial loom company into a global automotive powerhouse. Today, Toyota is synonymous with innovation, reliability, and excellence. And it all began with the prodigious son of an engineer who dared to dream big. If you've ever driven a Toyota Corolla or marveled at the precision of its vehicles, you're experiencing the lasting legacy of Kiichiro Toyoda, a man whose perseverance laid the foundation for one of the most successful automakers in history. Toyota's journey from a struggling automaker to a global powerhouse is a testament to the resilience and vision of its founders. Despite early setbacks and challenges, Toyota's innovative spirit and commitment to excellence allowed it to emerge as a leader in the automotive industry. In January 1947, Toyota released the Toyota SA, marking a cautious return to passenger car production. Despite lukewarm reception and limited sales, it was a crucial step forward. However, the company soon faced another hurdle: a severe cash shortage caused by Japan's post-war economic stabilization program. Defaults on truck loans and other financial pressures threatened Toyota's survival. The Bank of Japan stepped in to save the company, but drastic measures were necessary. Toyota closed factories, reduced its workforce, and emerged from the crisis in the early 1950s as a leaner organization. The outbreak of the Korean War in 1950 brought a lifeline. The US Army ordered 1,000 trucks from Toyota, providing much-needed stability and operational improvement. In 1950, Kiichiro's cousin, Eiji Toyoda, and other executives traveled to the United States to learn from American automakers, including Ford. This visit proved transformative. The team studied assembly line efficiency and management techniques which would inspire the creation of the Toyota Way and the Toyota Production System, a groundbreaking lean manufacturing philosophy that prioritized efficiency, quality, and continuous improvement. Development of the Toyota Crown, the company's first fully designed passenger car, began in January 1952. Unlike earlier models that relied on truck frames and outsourced body production, the Crown required an entirely new chassis and body, engineered to withstand Japan's rough, unpaved roads while ensuring passenger comfort. Sadly, Kiichiro Toyoda passed away in 1952 before the Crown reached production. Leadership passed to Eiji Toyoda, who oversaw its completion and release in 1955. The Crown received widespread acclaim, and its success marked the beginning of Toyota's aggressive global expansion. Toyota began exporting vehicles shortly after the Crown's release. In 1955, it shipped Land Cruiser knockdown kits to Latin America, followed by complete Land Cruisers to the Philippines and Burma, now Myanmar, in 1956. By 1957, Toyota had established a branch in Thailand and began exporting vehicles to Australia. In 1958, Toyota built its first overseas production facility in Brazil, solidifying its international presence. The Land Cruiser became a symbol of Toyota's durability and versatility, earning its place as the most popular SUV of all time. The 1960s ushered in a period of rapid economic growth in Japan, known as the Japanese economic miracle. Rising incomes enabled more people to afford cars, and Toyota responded with affordable economy models, including the iconic Toyota Corolla. Introduced in 1966, the Corolla quickly became a global household name, offering countless people their first taste of car ownership. At the same time, the Japanese government invested heavily in road infrastructure, further fueling demand for automobiles. Toyota capitalized on this boom while also supporting other domestic automakers, acquiring stakes in companies like Hino Motors and Daihatsu, fostering long-term collaborations that strengthened Japan's auto industry. From the rugged Land Cruiser to the reliable Corolla, the company's ability to adapt and grow through challenges speaks to the enduring vision of Kiichiro Toyoda and the leadership that followed. Today, Toyota remains a global leader, continuing to shape the future of mobility while honoring its legacy of perseverance and ingenuity. Toyota's evolution, from consolidation to innovation. In 1981, Eiji Toyoda stepped down as president and transitioned to the role of chairman, passing the torch to Soichiro Toyoda, the founder's son. Soichiro immediately set to work uniting Toyota's production and sales organizations, which had been likened to oil and water. This significant restructuring led to the formation of the Toyota Motor Corporation in 1982. The consolidation was no small feat and took years of leadership to fully integrate. However, the effort paid off as Toyota entered a groundbreaking partnership with General Motors, GM, in 1984. Together, they established NUMI, New United Motor Manufacturing Incorporated, in Fremont, California. This joint venture allowed GM to learn about the Toyota production system and gave Toyota a foothold in North America to bypass tariffs on imported vehicles. The 1980s marked Toyota's first Japanese Quality Control Award win, further cementing its reputation for excellence. Simultaneously, Toyota began competing in motorsports, appearing in rally races and other high-profile events. In 1989, Toyota unveiled Lexus, its luxury vehicle division, designed specifically to target foreign markets. This was a bold move to challenge established luxury brands like Mercedes-Benz, BMW, and Jaguar. After significant investment exceeding $1 billion, the Lexus LS400, a full-size luxury sedan, debuted to global acclaim. Toyota diversified its offerings throughout the 1990s, moving beyond small cars to produce a wide range of larger vehicles, including the T100 full-sized pickup truck and several SUVs. Additionally, Toyota introduced a sportier Camry Solara and refreshed versions of iconic sports cars such as the MR2, Celica, and Supra. These sports cars gained a cult following for their affordability and thrilling driving experience, influencing car culture worldwide. They were prominently featured in films like The Fast and the Furious and video games like Need for Speed, Underground, cementing their legendary status among enthusiasts. In December 1997, Toyota launched the Prius, the world's first mass-produced gasoline-electric hybrid vehicle. Initially sold only in Japan, it was introduced globally 2 years later, becoming a symbol of environmental consciousness and innovation. Challenges and milestones in the 2000s. Toyota embraced a bold new design language in the 2000s and expanded its presence in motorsports, including entry into Formula One in 2002. Despite some criticism of its aesthetic choices, Toyota's vehicles remained renowned for their durability, which drove continued sales success. By 2005, Toyota ranked 517th on Forbes' list of the world's top companies. In 2007, it updated its Tundra full-size truck, produced in its Texas and Indiana factories, and celebrated the Toyota Camry being named Car of the Year by Motor Trend. Toyota also began building new manufacturing facilities in Woodstock, Ontario, and Blue Springs, Mississippi, to further expand its North American footprint. Like many companies, Toyota was affected by the global financial crisis of 2008. Despite the challenges, its commitment to innovation, quality, and strategic growth ensured the brand remained resilient during turbulent times. From luxury innovations with Lexus to revolutionizing the market with the Prius, Toyota's journey has been defined by adaptability and forward thinking. Even amidst economic downturns, Toyota's dedication to its core values and relentless pursuit of excellence have ensured its position as a global automotive leader. Toyota, a legacy of resilience and innovation. Toyota's unshakable reputation faced serious challenges during the 2008 global financial crisis and subsequent unintended acceleration scandal. In December 2008, Toyota projected its first annual loss in 70 years. To curb inventory, all Japanese plants were shut down for 11 days in early 2009. The unintended acceleration issues between 2009 and 2011 led to nearly 9 million vehicle recalls, lawsuits, and substantial penalties. Toyota was accused of concealing safety defects, resulting in a $1.2 billion criminal settlement and $1 billion to compensate owners for lost resale value. The tragic accidents allegedly caused by this defect claimed at least 37 lives. Amid this turmoil, Kiichiro Toyoda, grandson of Toyota's founder, took over as president in June 2009. With his extensive experience in production, marketing, and product development, Kiichiro steered the company through this difficult period and aimed to restore its reputation. In 2011, natural disasters added to Toyota's challenges. The Tohoku earthquake and tsunami severely disrupted its supply chain and production, while Thailand's monsoon floods impacted its factories. Despite losing 390,000 units of production due to these disasters, Toyota rebounded, demonstrating resilience by topping global sales in 2014 with 5.1 million vehicles sold in the first half of the year. Share your perspective. What are your thoughts on Toyota's remarkable journey? Are there any fascinating details we missed? Share them in the comments, and don't forget to explore our channel for more inspiring business stories.